Let's take a look at how to host a private game in Legendfolk. First, click the plus button in the Host a Live Game section. Select the adventure to host and click Save. Once created, go in and view it. Make a note of the invite code. You'll want to send this to your players. Click the plus button, create a new session. Select the scene to use and click Save. Click in to view the details of the session and publish the roles you want to make available to your players. Click the Start Now button to start the session and wait for players to join. While you are waiting, click on the narrator to view the scene and share some starter content for the session. Click the Share button to copy the content to your chat panel. You can edit the text before you send it. When your players sign in, they can enter the invite code to join your private game. The player can then view the session you created and request a role to play. As the guide, you will see the player's request to join, and you can approve it. The player will then see it approved and can click play to join the game. Once in the game, the player can type something their character does, or click the link to toggle to table talk and say something to the guide and other players out of character. The guide approves it and can use table talk to respond. This is a useful way to coordinate with the players when they join. Once all players have joined, you can start playing. Players can type what their character says or does and click the lightning bolt button to embellish it. They can edit what was generated, delete and try again, or send it as is. By default, everything the players want to say or do is sent to the guide to approve. The guide, however, can enable auto-approve, so what players send is automatically added to the chat. In addition, the guide can share a map with the players and drag and drop character tokens onto the map to show where they are in their setting. In map mode, narrations, player actions and speech, and dice rolls all appear as chat bubbles in the map. Players can toggle between map mode and narration mode. Anything shared in map mode appears in narration mode. Players can click on their character to change the colour of their dice and roll dice from their dice panel. The guide then interprets the results of the dice roll and describes the outcome. When the session is done, the guide can end the session. This writes it to their own private legend library. Both the guide and players can view the previous sessions in the game details page and click the Review button to read the past session. Now that you've seen how to host and play a private game, you're on your way to enjoying all the adventures you can have in Legendfolk. Go forth and create your game, invite your friends, and make your legends.